5 must-haves in your morning routine to live your best productive life. If you are new to the idea of a morning routine, you have probably spent a significant amount of time researching what you should include and what time you should be starting your day. Keep reading for the 5 things you should do to make your morning routine work best for you. 1. Trust your sleep cycle. The early bird may get the worm, but do you really want a worm? Pick a wake-up time that works best for you. Keep in mind when you like to go to bed and to get enough sleep. Waking up at 5 a.m., as many routine gurus recommend, will not be beneficial to you if you have trouble falling asleep before midnight or are exhausted from lack of sleep. 2. No decision-making. Make your morning routine as mindless as possible. Take time the night before to make all the decisions and preset. You don't want to spend your first 10 minutes choosing coffee, clothes, or deciding what to do with your day. Instead, the first few moments should be used to wake up through the routines that you have created. 3. Focus. Once you have woken up a little, find something that will pull your mind into focus. This could be reading the newspaper, journaling, or starting the process of getting ready. This doesn't have to be anything serious or life-changing. The focus that you are looking for is merely meant to engage your brain in an activity. 4. Move and hydrate. Many mornings, especially those cold winter ones, you probably just want to sip coffee or hot tea and cuddle up on your couch in the morning. But resist the urge. Make sure you are hydrating, water, milk, or juice, and move your body. Movement will help wake you up and get the blood flowing. This doesn't have to be a 5 a.m. CrossFit class. This can be simply walking around your house or gentle yoga. 5. Hardest tasks first. If there is something you are really dreading, get it done as soon as possible. If it is a work task, then you may have to wait a few hours, but either way, you will be glad you got it over with. Morning routines can be challenging to get into. Changing how you do things, maybe waking up earlier, or adjusting your routine to accommodate sleeping in. No matter what, make sure you are creating a routine that will set you up for your own success.